So for the second question, it asks for gx such that y equals to gx, and because x is uniform in the interval -1 to 1, so from the formula we can get 1 over b minus a equals to 1 over 2, and fx is uniform from -1 to 1 with the value of 1 over 2. So we can draw this graph. And we can also get this graph, which is the integral of -1 to 1 of 1 over 2. So the density function of x should be 1 plus x over 2. And because we know that we can the big F x function should be equals to f y function, because no matter we use x or use y to integrate, the total probability should be same, and it should be 1. So in order to get the big F y function, we need to integrate the smaller y function from 0 to 1, because the value of y can only between 0 let me see, can only be greater or equal to 0 or smaller or equal to 1. So the integral should be 0 to 1 of e to the power of -y. And we plug in 1 and 0 and get the formula. The big F y function equals to 1 minus e to the power of -y. And then we write the equation y plus x, 1 plus x over 2 equals to 1 minus e to the power of -y. And then we solve this equation by moving the e to the power of -y to the left side, and 1 plus x over 2 to the right side, and get and also eliminate the negative sign. So the left-hand side should be 1 over e to the power of y, and the right-hand side should be 1 minus 1 plus x over 2. And then we take ln on both sides and get y equals to negative ln y x plus 1 over 2. And this should be the gx function. So negative ln 1 plus x over 2 should be the gx function. And that's it. These are the two graphs.